camping, survival tips with the Shitmen.
1. Right, and welcome back to Shitmen, Survival Tips Part 6. Right, your friend is asleep and he's left a great big shit on the other end of where he's sleeping. And what you want to do is you want to apply some tissue. Now, once you have some tissue, take 1, maybe 2 bits. Right, we'll go for 1 now because that's all we need right now. We'll get to the second bit when that happens. Right, and what you have to do is you grab your tissue and pinch it real hard. Yeah, once you've got a strong grip on that tissue, you then need to pick up another piece and have it in your second hand, just as tight. Right, once you do this, you go over to your friend that's asleep and has left a great big shit on the other side. And what you do is you lift up his blankets. Oh God, what a smell. Right, this nearly corrupted everything. And then you do this. Fuck off, I'm over the wank. I think we have disturbed the beast. Right, more for part 8.
My breath on the wind, see the sky.